All right. Getting started here. So give me a moment to let's just test the sound real quick. Oh man, this fell down. Come on. Nunez, welcome. So the sound here is okay. Let's connect this one here so I can hear it from the Bluetooth headset, right? Right, Junker, welcome, buddy. How we doing? Music feels a little too loud, so might have to like get up again, push the button over there. You know, it's a lot of work. Get lost. How we doing? So if I talk, how is the sound? It's good enough. Still, the music is a little too loud. Still. Keto, how we doing? What joke do you have for me today? You are productive today? Hell yeah! What you doing today? No jokes, man. Okay, so what's that? I'm I'm a pen test, and today I learned how to hack Wi-Fi passwords. Wi-Fi passwords. That sounds cool. Not something I would do, but still cool. Okay, I think I'm more or less ready. So hopefully I'll get to finish this today. I know it's not a good thing to hack others' Wi-Fi's, but this is the way. I mean, learning how to do something is not necessarily a bad thing so long as you don't, hack other people's Wi-Fi's. Like, don't hack my Wi-Fi, It's costing a lot of money to me. All right. What? Why isn't the keyboard working? Man, I can't deal with this shit today. Nothing on the keyboard works when I turn on the lights on it. It's fucked up. Not a single key works. Is it like, did I just switch to fucking Bluetooth? Let's see what I can do about this fucker. What exactly is the product name of this thing? Drevo Caliber. Okay. Let's do Drevo Caliber keyboard manual. It's a piece of shit keyboard. There is a Bluetooth pairing thing on the back of the keyboard. Which one is off? Down is off. Okay, so it is down. And then turn on the Is there a short key like to completely reset this reset the keyboard? You can reset the keyboard by pressing down, escape, backspace, left control, right control. Okay, now there's light on my keyboard and I can see that the keys work. So I should be able to see this much better, right? Right. I am glad you agree. Karina, welcome. There's a piece of little skin on the edge of my fucking finger that's just bothering me. There we go. I think I got it. All right. Reset the keyboard. It's easier. Fuck it. Cool. So let's go over here. Oh, it logged me out? How come? Did my session fucking expire? All right, mailinator, let's go. Give me my password thingy. And then we're gonna do this, complete sign in. I'm signed in. Let's go to storage. Alrighty. So we're cool. All right. Now, this here is you choose this, so then we need to see the developer options here. Cool. Choose this and then bucket container name. Okay. Slowcats, welcome. Key and secret. All right. So what I was doing here, I was creating a secrets manager. So the secrets manager, basically what it does, I get to create or update or delete an existing secret stored in the AWS Secrets Manager service. Really different music, dude. Let's try upbeat jazz mix. Let's see how this turns out. I would listen to this too many times. Let's see how this goes. Okay. So we get the client, right? To create, we need a payload. So payload will need, it needs a name. And then, and the payload is whatever we pass, right? And then user. Okay, let's do user and then name and then the payload, right? Excuse me. So what this is gonna do here, we're gonna do, let's add this thing as a param user. The user, the secret belongs to. We're gonna say, how do you configure comment docstring format? Docstring, okay. Tag and tags. No, this is coloring. We don't. Plain? No. I think we just want like restructure text here. Apply. Okay. So they should give me a little like better thing. Cruise Matrin, welcome and thank you for the follow. Yeah, they should give me a better thing, right? So if I'm to like remove this and completely create a new one, there you go. Thank you. User. The secret payload owner, right? Makes sense, I think. Name of the secret stored in secrets manager required by Boto3. Payload the JSON the JSON object is secret itself in JSON format. I think that makes sense. Return user.models.secret. I think that makes sense. Yeah. I'm glad you agree. So we're gonna do client equals self.get client, right? And then to create it, we're gonna go to Boto3. This music is not vibing with me. What the heck? Okay. Secrets Manager. Take me to Secrets Manager. Close this client, and then we're gonna just go create secret. Okay. Force override replica secret. I want to see what exactly this is. Specifies whether to override a secret with the same name in the destination region. Yes. Add replica regions. No. Where the fuck is the home button? Oh, this is the home button. There you go. Shit, new keyboard. I fucking hate this motherfucker. Feels like I'm typing on pimples, bro. What is this shit? Pete, how we doing? I don't know what that means. Let me translate that, because I don't speak whatever language that thing is. Try. Translate. Detect language. Thank you. Good evening. Oh, good evening to you as well. Bruh. Okay, tags. Tags. What exactly tags do? Tags. A list of tags to attach to the secret. Each tag is a key and value pair of strings in a JSON text string. For example. Oh. Okay. I think I'll just do this. Tags equals tags, and then tags here should be tags equals none. I am sorry, Python. We're getting there, so give me a second here. Sweet. Okay, and then we're gonna do if not if payload. How do you check if that something is a dictionary? If type payload is not dict. I fucking hate this keyboard. Okay, raise type error, and then we will say, actually no, we need a visible. No, this is not a visible error, so type error is okay. So we're gonna say payload must be a dict or JSON, right? So that makes sense. I mean, it makes sense to me. Lena, welcome. How are you guys doing? That Telex, welcome. Crazy Tech Man, thanks for the stay saves. Alendra Black, welcome. Robert, welcome. Crazy Tech Man, welcome. How are you guys doing? Okay. And then assert if not user, we're also gonna say raise value error. We're gonna say user must be provided. Oh my god, I can't deal with this fucking keyboard. I'm gonna get my other keyboard. I'm gonna end up having to buy a new goddamn keyboard because of this shit. But this is like I'm carrying a goddamn wall, you know? Bro. Alright. So disappointed with this shit. Okay. Static. Vincent, welcome. So, Scheiße, I don't know where I put the cable for this fucker. Oh, it's right here, I think. Oh, that's the other one. Dude, where is the other cable? I have one more cable. This is not long enough. Isn't it just dandy? What up, Con? Welcome. Let's go. Okay. I think I should be good now. Okay. Provided. And then we're gonna say user or type user. I don't know why I did it that way. Not equals to settings. Actually, no, this won't matter. Because when we're trying to save it, it will already throw an error for us, the model itself, so we'll be fine. Okay. Cool. Response client create dot secret. So name is going to be equal to name. Client request token. Yeah, we don't need that. And then description. And then we're going to have a thing here called description equals none. So if we have a description, we can just gonna say self.get client. Sorry guys, new keyboard, so I'm a little okay. Okay. Secret binary. Nope, we are not doing that. Secret string. Why is it fucking string? It needs to be a JSON object. Yeah, we need to turn it into JSON, right? JSON dot dump, and then it's gonna be the payload, and then tags, and then cool. So I think there you go. Dump versus dumps, they are different, so you have to make sure. Cool. So just to make sure that we are doing this the correct way, I'm gonna do shell. So let's say like my dictionary here is going to be something like this, right? Like ABC there. ABC equals 1, 2, 3, and then YOLO equals swag. If I could type swag, bro. So I'm gonna say import JSON and then JSON dumps, and it's going to be D. So it converts it into string for us. So this is how it's gonna go to AWS. And then when we are fetching it, it's gonna give us this string as well. However, after we fetch it, we can convert it back to JSON again to read the data from it. Danya, welcome and thank you for the follow. Yeah, I think this makes sense, right? Right. I'm glad you agree. So we also need to put this into a try catch block simply because, right, we need to make sure we catch any error that it might raise on us, right? We're going to do except, we're going to do client error, right, as CE, and response equals ce.response. This is going to be a type JSON because this is a JSON error response. Cool. And the client error here is like, it's part of, yeah, Boto client. There you go. Boto3 already gives us this. So when we're looking at this thing, it gives us a thing called response right here. And it's a JSON object already, like it's a dictionary. So we don't really have to do anything about it, which is good. So let's just give this a go, for example, right? I'm just going to do import Boto3, right? After I import the Boto3, I'm going to do client here is going to be equals Boto3 dot client, and then I'm going to call this Secret Manager. I'm going to specify a region. I'm going to call region name equals, I'm going to do US West 1. I don't fucking care. Okay, so the client now actually works. It's a Secrets Manager client. But if I try to do like client dot create, oh my god, this is so bad. Create secret, and I do name equals, right, test secret, it's gonna fail. So it does give me a validation exception, which is cool. This is actually pretty nice. It gives me a validation exception, but I want to see, okay, try, right? And then I'm going to do client dot create secret. I'm going to do name equals YOLO, right? And then I'm going to do except exception as E. I'm going to do print. Actually, no. Import traceback dot.print exe, and then print. I'm gonna do exception type, right? Type E, and then E dot underscore class underscore. So the reason I'm doing this is because I want to get the exact path of the class and the exact name and the type, so I can properly catch this within my try except block to make sure that I'm not leaving anything that I haven't considered, right? So the precise it is, the better it's going to be. Okay. So what the fuck did I name it? Oh, it cannot contain YOLO swag, for example. It cannot contain spaces apparently. So it's going to be complaining if we do not give proper name that it's expecting. There you go. So it did fail. And then it says Boto3 exceptions.client error. An error occurred, validation exception. How come like it's not telling me what exactly the type? The type is still client error, which is kind of weird. Because I don't recall seeing in the exceptions, right? Is there like a validation error that I'm missing here? Event unsupported TLS, imminent removal, invalid NS, invalid S3 error, core error, unsupported S3 error and error, unsupported S3 control error, invalid host label, unsupported retry, invalid this, invalid that, yeah, it doesn't look like there is anything about validation error. Oh, there is a validation error. I'm gonna import that as well. Validation error, right? And param validation error. Should I see any of these? I will be like, I need to be taking it into account to make sure that like when I'm catching this, so I can keep an eye on this. It's kind of important. So this validation error, where the heck am I using this anyway? Oh, I'm already importing this. Cool. Param validation error. Okay. Oh, this is really dumb. All right. So we're gonna come down here, and when we are doing this, right? We're gonna say response. We're gonna say if. Oh, we're gonna do code. Dokiku, welcome. Writer, welcome. Bookies, welcome. How are you guys doing? There is the pussy again. God damn it. There's no escaping from your rate. Okay. So this actually doesn't give us a response, does it? Yeah, it just gives us Boto3 exceptions client error. Because if it is a client error, I'm guessing it won't always have a response property. Let's check if it has a response property. Print get attr. We're gonna do e, and we're gonna say response. Alrighty. Oh shit, it does. It still generates one, but now the code, it says it's a validation exception. This is kind of weird. Yeah, I just realized that there is a whole difference there. I need to make sure that I actually like listen to that properly. Let's do this. From Boto3 exceptions. Fuck, dude, I don't want to go to work at all. When am I supposed to go to work? When are you supposed to go to work anyways? On a Tuesday and Wednesday, but I still lazy as fuck, so you need to go to work today? Oh, bruh. I started like an hour. Oh boy, but what exactly do you do anyways? I know you told me, I just don't remember what it was. Retail? What do you sell? You see this sucky. God damn emoji, bro. Uh, Merchandise for tourists and shit. Okay. It can't be that bad, is it? You just check that ass at the booth? Like, what is it? Yeah, it's not, even though it's a validation error, it is still not raising the fucking error from there, which is kind of weird. Lucky one, welcome. Fuck your geek shit. Ah, what to do? This is the one that pays the bills, baby. I mean, hopefully it's gonna pay the bills once I finish it. I'm actually really excited about this. People don't really get how hyped I am about this project if I get to finish it. Is that, I don't understand. Are you like, is that spanking a Airy? Like what is that thing? What is that emote? Tinkerbell? Tinkers spanking Tinkerbell. I just couldn't fucking, I couldn't remember the word, okay? It's my second language. I forget words. It happens. Oh. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to fall back to this if the code that this gives me, because this code here is not the same. Like if I happen to open the view on storage, this test storage connection here, I know it returns error code response.get error and then code. Ubu, White Phoenix, welcome. Get it, bruh. You really like those emotes, yo. ER response. I'm just gonna do this equals none. Right, and then should we have a thing here? I'm gonna say error response equals response. Oh no, e dot response. Right. Okay, so if I do error response, I get this. So error response, right? And then I extract error. Yeah, it has a code, but this time it's not an integer code. However, the HTTP status code here is an actual integer code, I think, because I don't see any quotes around it. This one getting jizz on her face. Oh my god. This Trovo really doesn't give a fuck. Sammy, welcome. Garmonica Light, welcome. Okay, I think. Cool. So I'm gonna say, okay, in this one where I'm creating this, right? I'm gonna do client error as E, and then I'm gonna do response. I'm gonna do get attribute, right? CE, and then we're gonna say response. Let's get rid of this. Make a typo. What time am I supposed to be at work? Poor Risky, welcome. Port 22, welcome. Third Sphinx, welcome. How you guys doing? Clap wall, welcome. Let's go. Let's make sure it's a default dictionary so we can do get again, and then message, right? And then error code, right? Equals response dot get. Again, we're gonna do error dot get code, right? We're gonna say if I'm gonna do http status code equals response dot it's just straight up http status code. HTTP status code, is that it? Yeah, I know, it's here fucking response. Oh, it's in HTTP or response metadata. God damn it. Metadata. Okay. And then I also want to do home. I want to do the type. Tell me it's an integer. Nice. Okay. I think we got this now. So this should be good. But instead of doing it this way, you know what? Like, fuck it. I'm just going to say parse error. Fuck this noise. Do parse error, right? And then here we're gonna just take this, right? Fucking hell. And then we're gonna say, what should we say? We should say something good, right? Like something cool. Cami, welcome. Logra, welcome. Logger, welcome. Alrighty. Now, if response, we're just gonna say here, we're gonna do say response. We don't really need this response. If response, and we're gonna say error equals response dot get error, and then default to this, and then we're gonna say if error, right? We're gonna do error message equals error dot get message, and then we're gonna do code. We're gonna do code, right? And then we are also gonna check if it can be turned into a fucking thing. So if you do int, right, like some text, like it says inval literal, right? So before we do this, we need to find a way to check if we can validate that it can be converted to an integer. We're gonna say Python check if string is number. Shit, we can do this. Fucking beautiful. I did not know that. T equals some text. And then I'm gonna say T dot is numeric. That's false. And then if I do test one, if I do is numeric, still false. If I do just 11, and if I see is numeric, oh, fucking, this is beautiful. I love it. All right. So I'm gonna do here, right? And then we're gonna say HTTP status code. Hold on. We're gonna do response metadata equal, right? Error dot get, not error, sorry, response dot get response metadata. Is it uppercase or lowercase? Fuck, I can't remember. D is lowercase. Okay. And then give us this, the thing, and then we're gonna say HTTP status code equals response metadata dot get HTTP status code, right? So cool. What was that thing? Was it like a data class? Fuck, I forgot what it was. Yeah, it was a data class. Python best way to convert dict to object. I kind of like the idea of using name tuple so I could just easily access the properties of that thing as if they're properties rather than keys, because I don't really like typing keys that much and it's annoying to fucking deal with that. But again, another thing here is if I do name tuples, would that introduce any further limitation down the road? I kind of want to make sure that that's not going to be a problem. You know? That makes sense, right? Like what I'm saying? Hmm. So yeah, this is actually unnecessary. I could easily do this thing into a fucking, like, utilize a data class to do that. Oh my god, this is so fucking ugly as fuck. Yeah, this is named tuple versus data class. I kind of feel like I don't want to be bogging it down due to, like, performance thing. Like, if I can have a faster approach to it, I'll do a faster approach. Iggy, welcome. Karina, thanks for the stay safe. Zolan Pro, welcome. Kalionis, welcome. Charizard, thanks for the stay safe. Xshare, welcome. Wikis, no touch, welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. Appreciate you being here. So, data classes are the type of class used to store data without any functionality. These are the classes are just regular classes having the main purpose to store state and data without knowing the constraints and logic behind it. Whenever you create a class that mostly contains attributes and certain properties to deal with the data and its representation. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Mm-hmm. Is that the best way to initialize a name tuple? Like, I remember it being a little different. El Guasa Berta Pingon, welcome. Love Girl, welcome. How are you guys doing today? Yeah, I kind of remember this being different, yo, Like, maybe I'm tripping a little bit. Yeah, this is irrelevant. Speed named tuple versus data class. Data class is faster at reading the object, necessary properties and executing functions. Name tuple is faster at only creating the object. So I guess in our case, it won't make much of a difference. So let's say, so error response, like, it is still here, right? So from collections, import named tuple, function, not type name, field names. Is there like a shorter way of like initializing the name tuple? Okay. Python named tuple from dictionary. I don't want to iterate shit. Oh shit, I can do this like as a thing then. Okay, and t equals name tuple. It's worth a try. Okay. Error response. This is gonna fail because it needs a name. That's gonna call it error. Uh, Oh, so I have to fucking initialize it again? Bruh. Mohammed Kabo, welcome and thank you for the follow. Thanks for joining us. Let's have a look. Python name directly look at the documentation itself. Collections, data type, data types, and name tuples. Name tuple. Thank you. All right, Mandy, welcome. Returns a new tuple subclass name type name. The new subclass is used to create tuple-like objects that have fields accessible. Okay. Oh, I have to initialize it and then pass the names. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of an annoying way to deal with this shit, but what to do? Hmm. Mandy, thanks for the stay safe. Thanks for joining. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I still have to declare it first. That contains the field names. So I think, yeah, that makes sense. So I'll do error equals, right? I'm gonna do named tuple, and then we're gonna call this error, and then this is going to contain the keys. What? Like, what are the keys of that thing? It has error. Okay, and then the response metadata, right? Response metadata. If only I could type metadata. Okay, error response. It worked right off the bat. nt.error. Holy shit! It preserves the type. It preserves the type, which is okay, I think. I feel like data class here probably would be better. I can't type. New keyboard, like my hands are like all over the fucking place. Not that I was able to write any better anyway, so I can't. Man. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this. Let's get crazy a little bit. I'm gonna go to utils again, and then here I'll also do something like this. I'll do data classes. Hold on, is it data classes or data class? Data class. Data class. I'm gonna do class. Actually, no. To object, right? I'm gonna go dictionary. I'll just say dict to object, right? And then I'm just gonna do payload, right? And then this is gonna return this fucker here, right? Plus dict to object, right? We're gonna do TL. Oh shit! No! I did it wrong. And then we're gonna say def init cool. Here we're gonna say pass. This will work, I promise. Just give me a second. Bro. And then we're gonna do here, right? For we're gonna do PL, right? The payload. For key value. In pl dot iter pl dot items. What am I doing? Okay, items, and then fucking hell. If value dict to object. All right. If it is a dictionary, then key equals that, right? Cool. Else, key equals value. Oh shit! What the fuck am I doing, dude? Yeah, we know. Nick Blue, how we doing, my dude? Welcome. And then this will simply return, right? Dict to object payload. That's pretty much it. Shit ain't hot, man. What do you mean? What's going on? Definitely Mimosa, welcome, make sure, welcome, Karina, welcome. Been pissing snow outside my window since yesterday evening. Yeah, I have that here too. Since pretty much yesterday evening, like just about the same. Cold as balls, yeah. My cat seems to like it. Drop to -15. Damn, dude, that sounds fucking crazy. I kind of want to test this and see if this works. Kind of curious about this, yo. Okay, I'm gonna exit, and then I'm gonna do shell. Expect an intent. Oh shit! I did not complete something here. Yeah, my bad. Like, IO, bro, it's March. Let off the gas pedal. Mother Nature doesn't give a fuck, yo. Bro. I'll do D equals YOLO swag. And then from, I'm going to do core.utils. Import dict to object. And then I'm going to do dict to object D. Okay. So if I do dot ABC, it has no attributes. Get those Danish motherfuckers out of here. What do you mean? SCV, thank you for the stay safe and welcome. I think I need to do this instead of doing it that way. This has to be set attribute self, and then key, and then value, else this is just value. This makes sense, right? I am glad it does. Okay, so I'm gonna have to exit and then restart this fucker. Ikra, welcome. I think this will work. Okay. Oh yeah. It fucking works. Isn't it beautiful? It's so beautiful. Beautiful. Bruh. Okay. Now let's test the recursion, right? We need to make sure the recursion will do its thing. So, how about the dict to object, and then we're gonna see, let's say like D equals swag, and then YOLO equals another dictionary. I'm gonna do Jomo equals local. So when I pass this again, what? Oh, it's repeated. Oh, YOLO swag. And then I'm gonna do what? Yeet. So if I do dict to object, still initiates, got an unexpected keyword argument Jomo. No, what the fuck are you talking about? Osama, welcome. Maxi, welcome. Why is it complaining about that? This just doesn't make any sense. Zero on the gamer, welcome. Xshare, welcome. This doesn't really make any sense. Oh, fucking. There you go, that's why. Guys, okay, let's try this one more time. It takes 0 positional arguments, but 1 was given. Makes sense. Scala, thank you for the stay safe. Yeah, that makes sense. However, oh, I am doing this right here the wrong way. Okay, now it makes sense. Sorry, I did not follow it properly in my head, thus causing it to be catastrophic. This should be good. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm going to do dt. So this one is going to be equals to dt, right? So if I do dt dot abc, I get 1, 2, 3, which is the value. dt dot YOLO, I should get swag, which is the value. If I do dt dot Jomo, ha ha ha. Oh, I need to do dt dot yeet, dt dot yeet. I get another object, but if I dt dot yeet dot Jomo, I get the local. You do realize you aren't streaming anything but your desktop? Oh my fucking god! Shit, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The entire time I'm just talking without any fucking visual representation. Wow, thanks for the 50. Oh my god, sorry dude. And thanks for letting me know. Classic English. Fucking hell, bro. There should be something now. Ah, this is so bullshit. Monkey SHU, welcome. Oh my god, man. This is messed up. Ah. But this works, which I'm happy about. So the recursion works. It will go like regardless all the way down to the last fucking key and value pair, turning it into a dictionary using the data class. So I think this should be perfect. Juliana, thank you for the stay safe. Let's go. What you doing today, Nick? Are you gonna be working today? I wanna make a little tea, yo. Let me boil some water. I want some tea. Eddie Gonway, welcome and thank you for the stay safe. Abrak, welcome. Wah! Rah, 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 rah. Yeah, let me boil some water so I can make some tea. I want some tea. Like, I need some tea in my life. One moment here. It's snowing. It is still fucking static. It's still like probably some little dust looking fucking snow. Oh, no. That's my tea. All right, that is back. Static is fucking ass. It's snowing outside. Classic Turkic tea addiction. Welcome to my world, motherfucker. I'm gonna serve you tea and some fucking cookies on the side. You know? That's what you're gonna get. Clinton, welcome. FanPad, welcome. iStore, thanks for the stay safe. Shulia, welcome. The thing is, like, they call it biscuit over there, but in Canadian and US English, they call it fucking cookies. So it's kind of like really fucking weird to use that wording to like define what you're serving. Like, it's cookies here means something else. And then, yeah, hold on, I'm confused. Hold on, let's do this. Cookie in US English versus routine. I will be serving consumables. But that's too vague. How do you say that? I feel like I'm saying it like the short version of vagina rather than vague. Wag. Fuck, I can't. How do you fucking pronounce this shit? Hold on. Yeah, I won't hear it until I. Huh? What? I don't fucking understand what it is saying. It just says it like vague. Like the short version of vagina. I don't want to say that. In the US, cookies are flat, round snacks made of sweet dough. In the UK, these are generally called biscuits, although people do call the bigger, softer kind cookies too. Yeah, that's what I was trying to iterate here. Ah, excuse me. Like, imagine you go into somebody's house and they're gonna be like, yeah, I'm making tea and I'm gonna put some fucking consumables on the side. You good? I would be weirded out if somebody said I'll be serving consumables. Why can't you tell what it is? You know, sounds suspicious when you say it like that. You want some consumables? You hungry? You want some consumables? Johnny Bones Jones, welcome. Assas, welcome. Chillman, welcome. Auntie East Streamer, welcome. Psychos, welcome. CR7, the best player, welcome. Thanks for the stay safe, everybody. I'll be serving liquids and a baked or cooked snack or dessert that is typically small, flat, and sweet. Yeah. Yeah. Nah. Meh. That's like too many words for biscuits. Like, if you got a girl from the bar telling her like, let's go Netflix and chill, and then you made that sentence along the way, she would leave you. There will be no chilling for you. Tell me, Ari, welcome. Netflix and crying. Oh shit. All right, so this works, and then what I'll do here is So this one here, I'm gonna do error, right? Okay. Need to get rid of the if on this one here. Simply, and then okay, this is gone. Okay. So now we have the error, and then we're gonna get this thing from this. So we're all set, bro. And then if this doesn't have anything, we're just gonna like default to 500. We should do. And then the error message here, we should also default to something else as well. And then we're gonna do again, something went wrong. Interacting with AWS service. I shall go and consume sleep. You are like sent from, you're like an alien that's on a mission on Earth, but like sent to Earth and trying to like blend in with the humans. Good night, comrade 10. Thanks, dude. Thanks for stopping by, man. Appreciate talking to you all the time. Have a good night. Yes, Guzel, welcome. Osama, welcome, and thank you for the stay safe. Let's go. I shall finish this in about 2 hours. Then I get to enjoy the new Valorant. Good night, Nick. Sleep well, my dude. I would tuck you in, but you know, the distance makes it those like kind of hard. Tell me, Ari, welcome. Don't forget to kiss the homies. Good night. Dude, I would fucking love to do it one time. I kiss my cat every night too, you know, like I tuck him in and I kiss him goodnight every night. He loves it. He loves it. He starts purring when I do that. He knows like I'm showing affection. I'm a very affectionate person, you know. Anyways, go to bed, dude. Go get your sleep. Dash, welcome, Escazel. Thanks for the stay safe. Let's go. Chat is popping today. People contributed. Ivancom, welcome. You want pigs? All right, I'll get you some pigs. Look, this is one. Hold on, let me share a quick Google link so you can see. It's a short, so he's like he's on the bed, right? I think I don't remember like if it was right prior to sleeping or not, but there you go. I'll do you one better than the picture. I'll give you a video. Hope you like it. Dude, this song sounds like an 80s porn music. What the fuck am I listening to here? Thanos Master, welcome. Let's go. Ivancom, welcome, and thank you for joining the treasure box. Let's go, people. Okay. So now, since we have this, we have the message. I'm gonna do here. Also, let's do nah, fuck that. Actually, fuck that as well. And then I'm gonna do error tuple equals named tuple AWS Secret Manager error, right? And then we're gonna do what? Error code. And then we're gonna do status code. I'm hoping this will work, but let's see. And let's import this. No, what are you doing, you dingleberry fuck? I'm hitting Alt Enter. Import it. Okay. Return error tuple error message error code status code equals HTTP status code. If a black bird has black babies, if a blue bird has blue babies, what bird has no babies? Transparent bird? I don't know, dude. It's the fucking dead bird. Ah, shit. My brain jumped at it, dude. Thank you for that. You responded so fast, too. Holy shit. Arnold play, welcome. Your sweet feeling. Thanks for the stay safe. Wonderful sky, welcome. Let's go. I need a haircut. I legit feel like this music is just fucking like 80s porn songs. I don't want to listen to this anymore. I need some like different tunes, bro. Like this is killing my vibe and like pulling down my energy. Upbeat for upbeat work music. Let's see how this one will turn out. Fuck it, let's listen to it. Moves like Jagger. Yeah. Poker Extreme, welcome. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. I don't fucking get this shit. Why don't boxers have sex before fight? Why? The question itself is making me local host is here. Hell yeah, let's go. Because they don't like each other. I mean, they could have. Boto, welcome. Saint, welcome. Poker Extreme, thanks for joining. I'm kind of tempted. Mm-hmm. I don't understand this shit, dude. Hmm. 50,000. Damn. This doesn't make any sense. How the fuck do you use this shit? Angel of that, welcome. I find it interesting how interesting job. 7 are here because of the boxes. Yeah, unfortunately, that's the case, and there is nothing I can do about it. That's the setup. Trovo's setup. Nothing I can change about it. But thank you, dude. Appreciate you being here either way. Their presence still like helped me get up to silver, which is better than nothing, I guess. Mm. Shit. I gotta refresh, guys. I gotta reload my page 1 second. I'm having some issues here, my bad. I don't see it, so what's going on here? Oh, there you go. Oh, you gotta do it 10 times, then you get a fucking 3,000. Fucking hell, bro. Kinda wanna do this and then see if I can get this. Fuck it. I got the jackpot. Holy shit. I don't understand this thing at all, dude. $800. Okay, is that space travel? Where the fuck is space travel then? $15,000. Yo, people, what's going on? Max, what's going on? Dude, people come here. What the hell? Yo. 229 people. What's going on, everybody? I don't understand how this works, yo. I'll enjoy G. Welcome. This kind of like popped off. I don't know what I don't understand how this works. I just tried my chance in this thing. Welcome everybody. Oh my god. Sugarama, welcome and thanks for the stay saves. Guys, welcome. Don Catman, welcome. Okay, this is kind of cracked. My chat. Now, when you win something big, it writes on all channels. Oh, yeah. All of a sudden, we got like 229 people in the chat. I don't understand like how it happened. I didn't realize that. Sugarama, thanks for all the stay saves and welcome. You guys are crazy. Waka Flaka, thanks for the stay safe. Shigurama, thanks for the rose and another rose. Damn. You guys are so good. I love it. Thank you guys. Thanks for the stay safe. I'm a student. Genie, login, and I will follow you. Yagami, thank you for the follow and thank and welcome, man. I appreciate it. Win rate increased to 200% fortune spin. Maybe I should do one more. I don't know if I can potentially bring anybody else, you know, like, fuck it, I'm gonna send it. Let's go. Jackpot, lucky you, space travel. 50,000, is that 50,000? I don't understand. What? Lagra, welcome. Dude, I am all out of the elixirs right now. Maybe I should not have done that. What the heck? Russell Carroll, welcome. Lagra, welcome. I have a project with HTML and CSS. Have you any free courses? Yagami, I don't have any courses right now, but I'm starting some courses on YouTube. You can follow my YouTube. I'll be publishing tutorials pretty soon. So you can learn things from there. I just started, so I have one video I'm making right now. It's going to be like a series of videos I will be creating. You can learn things from there if you are interested. Yeah. Yeah, it's in the early stages right now. There is really not much to learn. I'm streaming live there as well, so you can catch the streams as well as any videos I will post in the future. New Bata with 235 stays saves. Oh my god, you guys are cracked. Welcome everybody. This is insane. See you another time. Hell yeah, man. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one. Nubata, thank you. Guys, everybody, welcome. Appreciate you being here. I had no idea this would bring people in like this. This is insane. This is crazy insane. Oh my god. I can't believe this, bro. Welcome everybody. I honestly did not think that I'm live. I'll be back. Oh, all right, all right, all right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks for being here anyways. I appreciate it. Oh, you are a partner. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh, I can't post a message before 10 minutes. Yeah, there's a 10-minute thing on your chat, unfortunately. I was gonna say hello. Bro. All right, look at us going crazy over here, yo. Guys, everybody, thanks for stopping by. I do appreciate it, like for reals. So if I reload, shit, I don't want to lose all my things. So let's just go over here like this. Wow, so bright. Chill out, computer. Can't see shit. Oh my god, dude, this is insane. Oh my goodness. I know what I'm gonna be doing here with this shit. Ooh. Luis, thanks for the follow and welcome. Let's go. We got like 30 followers because of this. This is insane. There you go. Party every day. Let's go. 257 peak. Wow, it really brought a lot of people, yo. That's crazy. Chatting, welcome and thank you for the follow. Let's go. I'm trying to boost another channel, bro. What? This is kind of cracked. Insane. I should do this at a different time. Oh, I think this gives me an idea. Right? Right. Tyson, welcome. Daniel, welcome. RR Chessman, welcome. Welcome, everybody. Damn, look at us. Oh my god, dude. What the fuck? This is crazy. Oh, this gives me such a good idea. All right, let me read this one more time. Oh, I have. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Tyson, welcome. All right. So let's finish this work, right? I think we're having a good day so far, so let's finish it. Come on, thank you for the stay saves. Let's go. Sammy, welcome, my dude. How we doing? So we gotta get these right out of here as well. Okay. Cool. We don't need this. Let's get rid of this. And then HTTP status code. Yeah, and let's get rid of this. And then we don't need these either. So we are fine. So the error message. Okay. I think we're good. So this should give us everything we need. And we are getting the error that we are supposed to be dealing with. And maybe static. No. So I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna say error equals self.parse error. And then I'm gonna do get attribute CE, and then we're gonna say response. I think that makes sense. I'm gonna do print. Actually, no, I'm gonna say import traceback, and then traceback dot print exe. So I get to see what's going on. This is like a temporary thing. I'm gonna be removing this. Right, I'm gonna do to do so we don't forget. Remove this. Where's my escape key? Cool. Okay. So as far as us identifying what the errors are and yabba yabba yabba, cool. So when I call this now, and if I try to create a secret with the payload that I have here, it should tell me something. And so the description is going to be description. Cool. Okay. Right. Now, let's go exercise this here. Exit. Okay. I'm going to do one more time. Go back into my Django shell with inside the Docker. And then from core.utils, import Secret Manager. And then Twoi, Poklonic, welcome. Drody, welcome. iStorch, welcome. Semi, welcome back, buddy. And then let's do S equals Secret Manager. When I initiate this, is it going to record anything by default? Nothing. Cool. I'll just say s dot create. Right? It will need a payload. It will need a name. So if I do this, it'll say missing 3 requirement arguments. Okay, so we need a user. So first, let's get a user from core.models, import user, right? And then user equals user dot objects dot last is fine, right? All right, so we have our user.email, we have our email, perfect. Karina, welcome. Tarek, welcome. Papa Frita, Uvu, welcome. Shelves, W, welcome. Let's go. And then we also need a name. Name equals test secret. So this should be fine. And then the last one is the payload. So if I do again s.create and then user name, I'm going to leave the payload empty on purpose. So it just tells me one required position and argument. Okay. So the payload here is going to be a dictionary. I'm just going to make sure it's going to have a key equals, right? I'm going to say I am the key. I am the key, right? Makes sense. And then I'm gonna do secret equals I am the secret of the universe. Makes sense? Does. So when I initiate this, Shiza, let's go hit this. You must specify a region. Yeah, I gotta specify a region. So the get client here is going to, hold on. Response, we're gonna have, if only I could fucking type. Response, cool. Also self.response equals response. So I can access it from the thing. I know this doesn't really do this, so I'm gonna do I think it's called region name. Region name equals, I'll just say US West 1. Oh no, US East 1. Okay. So I have to get out of this one and I have to reinitialize this because the import won't work otherwise. So I'm going to do from core from import user and then from core utils Secret Manager. We are good. And then I'm going to do user equals this and then s equals Secret Manager s dot create. Yeah, we don't have that. We need name. Name equals test secret. I think they should do it now. Invalid type for parameter description. Value is none. It doesn't like none. So our description here, it needs to be a string, like an empty string if there is none, right? Cool. Shit, I have to exit this again. Bruh, this is getting like really kind of crazy. I've this a few times. Angel of Death, welcome. My Guardian, welcome. How you guys doing? Instead of like literally typing name as a parameter, I just gotta say, I'm gonna say test name. S is not defined. Oh shit, I did not initialize it. Parameter validation failed. Invalid type for parameter tags. Value none. Type class none type. Valid types list class tuple. Oh, so it can be either a list or a tuple. So we're gonna make it an empty list. So let's make sure. Also add that to the thing, please, for us. Description. Description of the, what is it called? Description of the secret being stored. Tags assigned, tags for filtering. And then this is going to be an iterable, right? It needs to be an iterable. And then this needs to be a string. Type string. Okay. So having said that, if I bring this back again, I feel like it should work. Ogre Maggie, welcome, and thank you for the 2 stay saves. Let's go. So I'm gonna keep doing this. Coco, where is my boy? Holy shit, it works. It worked, big boys. We got the status code to 100. That's what I'm talking about. Coco, what's my kitty want? You wanna come here, Coco? You wanna come here, baby? Coco wants to come here. Coco's the good boy. Coco's the good kitty. You wanna come here, Coco? Come here, baby. No? It's like camera shy, going away. Let me bring it. Come here, baby. Come here, Coco. Come here. I grabbed some tea for myself, everybody. Jose Santos, welcome, and thank you for the stay safe. Kiona, thanks for the stay saves. Ice Torch, welcome back. Welcome, everybody. I'm so happy you guys are here. How are you all doing today, man? Talk to me. Say hi to me. Oh yeah, let's go. TechShare, welcome. Obi, welcome. Doncos, welcome. Nunes, thanks for the stay safe. Let's go, baby. I'm like I'm feeling too good right now because people are here. You know what I'm saying? Oh no, that's crazy. All right. I get myself some tea, some Turkish. I don't know what it's called. Oh, sage tea. Sage. This is sage tea. What? Strong, very strong. All right. Share. Thanks for the stay safe. Yayi lover, welcome. Me. I don't like it. Yeah, let's see how this one turns out. Might be even better. You know what I'm saying? I never asked for the rainbow. W8 for the arena, but it's over for you. I don't know what that means. W8 for the arena. I don't know what that means, Wonderful Sky. Oh, wait for the arena, but it's over for you. Arena. What arena? I don't understand what that means. I'm sorry if I'm like missing something obvious there. The rounds are over. There will be new ones in an hour. Oh, so like when you join those like spins, it puts you in an arena. Oh, right. Okay, fuck. Sorry. Yeah, it's like yeah, starts at like 7 p.m. here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm asking people like when they are joining, like I'm asking them to like join during the PKs, but the thing is I do it back to back. I do treasure boxes, it runs 5 hours, and then the moment it ends, I start another one that goes another 5 hours because every day I stream for 10 hours. So they last a long time. Oh. Holy fucking hell. This is insane, bro. I know not the first day here, I just rarely write. Oh no, yeah, you wrote before. I remember chatting with you a while back. I remember you like saying a few things about programming, like my content being nice and useful, something along those lines, and I appreciated that, and I remember that, and still thank you for that. I'm a little excited right now, where the things that I won here actually I would have died from 10 hours at the PC. Oh, yeah, I do it all the time. The thing is, even if I'm not streaming, I'm still on the computer. So I'm constantly sitting here anyways. More than like it's way more than 10 hours for me. I'm easily on the computer like a good 16 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours every day. Because I'm an engineer, I do spend a lot of time here, man. like this being my day job anyways, during the day, even if I'm not streaming, like if I'm working on somebody else's project or like a client's project, I'm still spending time on the computer due to the job that I'm doing. So like it's very normalized to me now. Did you win a 50K spell or just an elixir? I don't think that's a spell. Let me check. I think it's an elixir. Because I won the jackpot, it said. So I got a 2,000. Okay, hold on. Let me share the screen. So you tell me what I won because I don't understand what exactly I got. It says spell, but it's the elixir sign. It's not the mana sign. Yeah, I don't mind sharing my screen, so like fuck it. There's nothing thing here. So this is my bag, right? Like this is like what you would see, and then I'm going to my bag. It puts those things to your bag. So I already had these. I already had this. Already had these. This doesn't matter. So this I want. I don't know what this does, but it says 50,000 spell, but it's an elixir spell, isn't it? Or am I tripping here? Franco, spell 50k elixir. Yeah, right. So like it should give me, like if I cast it, it would give me 250k elixir. I mean, because half goes to the trouble, half goes to me. Lord, welcome. Thanks for the stay safe. Let's go. So I won this one. It gave me 2. This was already here. And I got this, which is a 2000 elixir. And then I got this one, which is 800. I think I got like 2. I got a bunch of roses. I think 4 of them or 5 of them. And I don't know where this came from. And I got Leon Master Fragment. But this is not completed, I think, until I have to hang too low. Welcome and thank you for the follow. And then I got this one. I think have only like what 4 inner fragment. I think I got like 2 or 3. I'm not sure. And I got this. I got 3 of this, which is 1,000 spell elixir. This doesn't matter. Space fuel doesn't matter. And this is not from there. This is coming from this. Like whenever I complete the level 2 on this one, it gives me like one of these. So I think it just kept like saving up. You would get 25,000, right? Yeah, 25,000. And it's like $250, I think. Yeah, $250. Yeah. So it actually paid. I'm actually in profit on this one. I don't know how. Yeah, so I don't know. I spent like what fucking. Yeah, I spent like what $40 on it. I got $40. I got $250,000. $250. Not $250,000. $250. Shit. In my dreams, right? But yeah, that's the case. I wasn't expecting for it to give me that much. I'm like, this is that. Then there is no way I will get that, but it got every $1,010. Yeah. Yeah, it's just you divide it by 100, and that's the dollar equivalent because 100 gems is $1, $1. And too low. Where are you from, my dude? Like when you say box, it's like an American thing or American English thing. So you spent 4,000 and won 50,000. Yeah. You can try to put it in a box with a big bet. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. So people like would help me during the what you gonna call this thing? During the PK Arena. USA? Hell yeah, bro. I was living in the USA up until like 8 months ago. I moved here from the USA. I'm in Canada right now. I used to live in Long Beach and Los Angeles. And I came here for a job and then I got fired. Fuck my life. Where in the USA, bro? I gotta tell you, like, wonderful sky, hang too low. Like, thanks for chatting with me, y'all. People don't really say much here, so it's kind of like I have all these people watching, but they don't really say anything. So it's kind of weird, you know. What's in the box? It might not pay off. Yeah, yeah. I'm still like this. Just happened like 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. So I gotta think. I gotta think like how to utilize that properly. Born in Texas, raised in Indiana, live in Michigan. Man, I fucking love that. It's like a whole story right there. Michigan. Where is Michigan in? Sorry for like my lack of knowledge in this thing. What state is it? It's not in. It's not in Detroit, right? It is Michigan. I feel that I stream lots of box hunters. Oh yeah, like there's a lot of box hunters. And it's not like singular accounts either. People have like a main account and then they will have 4 or 5 up to 10 like side accounts, and then they will all join with those to the same streamer and then join the treasure box, and then whichever they win they donate it to their main account. Like I'm seeing that for sure, like for real. Hold on, let me follow your channel so like I can tune into your content whenever I can. Follow. There you go. I mean, a lot of friends playing the game. Stream, cool. I mean, yeah, why not, dude? Like, I met a lot of like my one of my best friends is because I met him during playing PUBG and I was streaming. I was playing PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, and we've been friends like since fucking 2018 or 5 years. I started streaming last of November. I started on January properly. So the first month I started January 5th. I streamed it until the end of month, and I got into bronze, and I streamed the entire February, and I got into silver. So that has been my journey pretty much. But like a big chunk of my viewers are coming from like the treasure boxes, and like they don't really say much. We got a stream team on Trova. Gotcha. Yeah, I see a lot of people doing that. So I got a few invitations from a few other people, but it's not like I'm. It's not really my thing. Never streamed before. Oh, I used to stream a lot before. When was this? I started streaming in 2018, but there was no Trova at the time, and I was streaming my project, like this one here, this project I'm working on. I was streaming this full time on Twitch, and I actually built it on Twitch. I brought it to a working thing, and then I was running out of money, so I had to get a job, and I got a job, and I didn't have time to keep working on the project. We got a graphics designer. Nice. Does he, she stream? Like doing graphics design on live on stream? I get people that chat. Man, that must be nice. Like, if you look at the people I'm following, they are all mostly like other streamers because like I go and chat in their things whenever I get the chance. My many streams is graphic work, went to college for it on the team. Nice, man. I'm do you have his link? Is it on like Twitch or here? If you have his link, like if you don't mind putting in, like I would like to go follow him and see what he does. Just to tune in, you know? Next, welcome. Like either way, I'm happy though because out of 100 people, even though like I'm talking to like 2 or 3 people, it is still conversation for me. It is still making connections for me. The knowledge it teaches is things they would in college. J damage. Is he on Trouble or like on Twitch? Also, I don't know if it is a he or she. I'm just like, English is my second language, so sometimes I will say weird shit or inaccurate shit. So sorry about that. Okay, I see one. Is this? Oh yeah, graphic design work. Topics today. Oh yeah, well, there we go. Let's go. We'll catch him when he's on, hopefully. Oh, he's doing it in art and craft. Okay, that's probably why it's not showing up because I was looking at the streams. Trovo, he got 7 platforms. I got 3 so far. I'm live right now on Twitch, YouTube, and Trovo. Angel of that, welcome. So far, it's been like fun for me, anyways. I'm Hispanic. I have heard things not pronounced right all my life. Hell yeah, man. It just makes me conscious sometimes, like when I'm saying certain things, I will say it and then like it will linger in my brain. Like, yo, did I say something weird? Did it really convey the message I'm trying to convey? Same, I'm Twitch, YouTube, and Trouble. Hell yeah, bro. Are you using like what was it called? Restream to do it to all 3, or you are doing like OBS or what's the other one called? Prism Live, I think. This is the one I was using to triple stream. You are good, a lot of different accents. Hell yeah, man. This is what I was using, but I stopped using this because you cannot restart if you pause a stream or stop one of the platforms. It became problematic, so I got rid of it. Streamlabs, yeah, that's what I'm doing too. The one that I like, the way I have set it up is the multi RTMP or something like that. So I can do this without exposing my I got a capture card. I'm not using any capture card. I mean, I'm using capture card on the second PC, but before I got the capture card, even with the capture card, I'm still using this one right here. It's a free plugin for OBS, and you can start, stop anytime. And the main one is the Twitch. So this one is Twitch. This is Trovo. This is YouTube. When I was gaming, I tried Facebook, so this is just like a remaining from there. Whatever. Angel of that, thanks for the stay safe. Iggy, thanks for joining. You did multi-stream, nice. Yeah, this has, like, honestly, this has worked really well with no problems. It works with the OBS 28 and 29. So long as like it will work with the like current versions, honestly, I'm happy. So, like, the reason I switched to two PC setup is because I don't want to end the stream when I'm restarting the computer. I got Xbox, PlayStation 4, and 5, Nintendo Switch. Man, I need me one of those like Nintendo Switch. I kind of want to get a Switch and a gaming laptop with 350 Ti. Damn, bro. I got a tower. I got a desktop computer I built. It has a 3090 in it, and it has dual boot, both Windows 11 and Ubuntu. Because the one that you are seeing right now is Ubuntu. It's a Linux. Like, this is a Linux. So I do my programming here, and I restart into Windows when I want to play games and stream the game. So I can like stream uninterrupted for 10 hours. Every day I stream for 10 hours. So I don't have to like stop, restart, you know. I can just go straight up. You want a desktop? You want to build a 3090. Did the prices for 3090 go down in the US? I think it did a little bit since the 4090 came up, right? Korean Wacom. I think they like also kind of messed it up a little bit, like with the rebranding of 4070 to 4070 to 4080, something like that. So it got weird a little bit. But the prices for 3090 definitely went down. I bought it from a scalper because I couldn't find it anywhere else. I waited literally an entire fucking year to get a 3090. I couldn't find it. So I'm like, yeah, well, you know what, whatever. They went up? What the fuck in the heck? Hold on. These mother bitches, bro. NVIDIA 3090. Not 2090, 3090. Sorry, new keyboard. My keyboard broke yesterday, so I ended up having to switch keyboard. Now my fingers don't know where the certain keys are. Yeah, this is never in stock. Never. Oh, hold on. This is 4080. What? No. No. What? Hold on. This is 1661. 4090 is like about $400 additional. The build I have in my Amazon cart was like 2800, and now the shit is 3300. Oh, is the graphics card the biggest contributing factor for the price increase? I'm guessing that it is, right? The thing is, like, this doesn't make any sense. Like, why the fuck would you make this $2,000? What? This is dumb, bro. Why would you? Yeah, I remember reading about this, like, being so fucking expensive for no reason. And then they pushed away Evga, which was like my fucking favorite graphics cards producer. Now they won't be doing 4090, I think. Which I don't even see it here. The graphics card went up about the price you are looking at. Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah, when I was looking at, I was like checking this pretty much every day. And then every time this would say like out of stock, out of stock. I couldn't buy it. I was willing to pay this money, but I paid more than this. I paid more than this. I paid more than $2,000 for my 3090 because I couldn't find it. And I'm a software engineer. I can't be dealing with small ass computers. I can't. So I ended up like burning a little bit money on it. Went from 1100 to 16 fucking hundred. Fuck me, bro. That's like a really crappy job, dude. Are you gonna spend that money, the 3300? Are you gonna spend it? Or are you gonna wait a little bit for it to come down? I like this song, bro. I'm vibing with this. I like to meet people that know things about computers. Well, welcome here, dude. Because for the past, starting from 2016, I built my own. All the main computers I've been using, I've been building it myself. I don't buy it. I don't buy it built. I like to build it myself. It's just, it makes more sense to me. And I can usually like build it cheaper than buying it with the same components inside. My girl is white, loves country. Hell yeah, bro. She's a nurse going on 13 years on the 28th of this month. 3 boys. Ah, bruh. Shit, I forgot what would say. Congrats, man. 13 years is like nice and consistent. 3 boys. I got no kids, man. I mean, no kids that I know of, you know? There's a question mark there. Holy shit. You know? Nobody knocked on my door yet about, you know, yo, this is your kid, now it's your responsibility, or any kind of, you know, similar inquiry. I'm 32 now, but we were all younger. Oh man, yeah, I relate to that a lot. I'm 36. I just turned 36 on Valentine's Day, so you know I know what you're talking about. Like it was, yeah. Let's not talk about it here. That might be like TMI. Your mother's birthday is on V-Day. Hell yeah, man! Happy birthday to your mom. What is your origin, man? You said you were Hispanic, but you know, there's a lot of varieties in there. VFT, welcome. Ice Torch, welcome. Yours is in January. Oh, happy belated birthday to you too, man. VFT, thank you for the follow and welcome to the channel. Hope you're having an amazing day. Mexico, hell yo, bro. I had some really like great Mexican friends back in LA. I miss those motherfuckers, bro. There was this guy. His name is Pablo. He would eat jalapenos like they were fucking like Cheetos. Like, oh my god, it was insane. Like the first time I saw him did that, like it fucking freaked me out. Your grandparents were from Mexico? Nice. That's like one of the best things about the US. You know, like there are people from all over the world, and you will get to meet like so many people from so many different fucking backgrounds. It's amazing. Maxi, welcome. Iggy, thanks for the stay saves. Fan, welcome. I was working in a restaurant at the time, and I was a cook, and I was like, he would serve the the dishes when they were ready to the tables, whatever. Like, you know, like you wear a lot of hats in the restaurant. So like he would just grab a really spicy ass jalapeno just off the grill, and he would eat them like as if we were eating chips. Like I would take a single bite, it would make my eyes water because they were spicy. It wouldn't touch him. I don't understand. It's like a mod, like a steel. Ginonin, welcome and thank you for the follow. I hope I'm reading your name right. Iggy coming in with the 50 full heart. Hell yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Sounds like a Mexican. Yeah. They were really fun people, dude. One of the guys got deported. Fuck. I hated that. He was taking care of his family. Like he would send money to his family like every 2 weeks. And then I think like he got picked up. It put the morale down so much because, you know, all the people working in the restaurant, aside from me and the boss, they were all like Hispanics. One was from Chile. I don't know how do you say this. Chile. And then Pablo is Mexican. And shit, fuck, I can't remember where he was from. The other girl. Fuck, where was she from? She told me, I don't remember. Puerto Rico or Dominic, like one of those. I knew she was a Mexican. Anyways, I can't remember it, but yeah. This is like one of the things I also miss from like LA, dude. Tacos, Mexican food, Hispanic food. Like where I am right now, it's got nothing in that sense. So far, I couldn't find a single fucking burrito that tasted the same. All right, let's see if we can finish this. I mean, it's more or less done, but like still, it's 6:30. I'm gonna be eating soon and then get started with the gaming. Everyone brown in USA are labeled Latino, Hispanic. Yeah, I can attest to that. Yeah. They were getting confused with me though because I look really white. until I start speaking, you can't really tell where I'm from, you know. But there's no way I can hide the accent. So when I start speaking, they get like, "Oh, you have an accent, you know, you're a foreigner." Serious walk. My accent changed over the years because, you know, the more I speak it, the more like it's changing. But now I have an accent in my mother tongue. Like my mother tongue is Turkish. Now when I speak Turkish, I speak it with an accent. Like it's really weird. Imagine speaking your own language with an accent, bro. Chill man, welcome. So this is, we tested this. Now this will work. Since this is working, we can use this. And now after this gets created, I need to create this as an entry. That's crazy. And we're gonna do secret equals, and we'll say secret dot objects dot create. I have accent for certain words, like certain words in English or certain words in Spanish. I'm guessing Spanish. Let's import this. Do it for me, please. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. So we need user equals user. Oh, we don't need spaces here. And then name equals, I think, name. And hold on, what else the parameters are here? Username, secret manager ID, and status. Okay, so we can do this. And the status is we already have a default to active. Cool, cool, cool. English? Oh, I see. Max SBP, welcome and thank you for the follow. Thanks for joining us. How are we doing, dude? How are we doing, Max? I say gold with a W, what my girls say, like gold. Ow, gold. I can't really imagine it. Pretty much every word I say is like weird. When I'm playing Valorant, for example, my friends like tease me when I say tire instead of tier. And then I say Viper. I don't know what the correct pronunciation is. And then my girlfriend teases me when I say aluminium. I don't. Okay, the correct one is what? Aluminum? Supposed to be, I think. I have too many to remember. You think you say it right? I think I say it right too. It said it when I imagine the sound in my head, it sounds correct to me. But when it comes out, I guess it's coming out not always accurate, you know? So this, it has a thing called ARN. So I'm gonna get the ARN, and then we're gonna do ARN equals response dot get ARN, because it is a, I see we're right there wrong. Yeah. The thing is, if you're understanding what I'm saying, it's good enough. I'm not taking an SAT on English or anything, so the challenge is not really like the people that I'm encountering on a daily basis. The challenge is, as a software engineer, when I'm describing technical stuff, I have to be accurate and precise, especially if I'm dealing with clients. I cannot be like ambiguous or redundant. Things need to make sense and they need to understand exactly what I need to say. Due to that, like I've been really working on like being more precise, being more being less ambiguous in my speeches, especially in the technical side. So it kind of helped me like speak better or speak more accurate, I would say. So it kind of became a habit of me like always analyzing what I say. If you ever stop by when we are co-streaming, when you stop by, I will get the team to follow. They all love to stop by and chat. Oh man, you don't have to do that, but I appreciate it. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks for the offer. I do appreciate it. Siempre version 69. Welcome. How are you doing? No, I'll definitely catch you. The only problem is because I stream 10 hours, it takes a really long chunk of my day. So it may not be like sometime immediate in the near future, but I'll do my best. I'll definitely stop by regardless. Like 15 of us, like 7 Trova partners. Hell yeah, man. Are you grinding for a partnership as well? I think I saw you as bronze. Yeah. Because I've been really grinding for the partnership. I put a lot of effort. You're always on off. Well, I'll drop you a follow. So whenever like you go online, I have notifications on as well. I should catch you. I got it last 3 months. Oh, you just okay. Like I feel like if I can maintain this, what you gonna call this thing, the silver, it'll probably like grow a bit more organically. Hopefully, first full month got it. Then next two after that on the third month. I see. Maxusito, welcome. Maxusito, welcome. It's a lot of work though, and they keep changing the thing, like the requirements. You're right with bronze. I kind of wanted $800, you know, because if I get 800, at least I would feel like it's a bit more validated. You know, like at least I am kind of like progressing positively. That was kind of like my goal. And people to talk to. I think like, yeah, that's what I'm lacking. Like up until today, like aside from my like actual friends coming and chatting, like this is the first time it has this kind of activity, honestly. People don't really talk. They don't say anything. They don't say anything. Like there's maybe like 90 people, 80 people. Usually like I'm averaging lately, like I'm averaging about like 60, 70 people. And like nothing besides the tasks of the treasure boxes. People won't say anything. Sometimes like a few people will post like a few emotes. Aside from that, like it's just nothing. And I greet like everyone that stops by. But still, it's nothing. Takis Gartos, welcome. I love to stop by and chat, people. Same here. Same here. But I feel like on a big chunk how the Trovo is operating, it's like it's very transactional. You know, people are streaming to generate donations either via subscriptions or elixirs. Hence, they have to set up those treasure boxes. And a lot of people on the platform are chasing treasure boxes, so they don't really care for engagement that much. If I have my laptop, so if I start to talk, I take them to the kitchen and keep it up while I cook. Hell yeah. That is actually, I just did my setup for that specifically. I got a capture card just for that reason, because I am still streaming from my main PC. So I got a capture card and I got wireless HDMI transmitters. I connected it here and I'm able to stream from outside, inside, downstairs, everywhere. I don't care, Elixir. I want people to talk to. Man. The thing is, without the Elixir, is like keeping the, like acquiring the required Trovo points to keep partnership. It looks so hard. We got friends in the UK and all around the USA. Man, it seems like your community is a lot more engaging than mine. My friend who streams a lot on Trovo showed me like how to acquire, how to utilize the treasure boxes to get like more people to follow and join and whatnot. And like that was kind of being the start of like things moving up. Bad Cop, how you doing? Welcome. So, you know, I've been learning as I go. Bronze is not big. Yeah, like bronze, all the requirement for bronze is just 100 Trovo points, which is, I already have like 140, I think, 104 in like 4 streams. But like it was still thanks to, like, for me getting the silver was thanks to my girlfriend and my friends. They really like chimed in big time. They stepped up big time for me. It is welcome, and there's a welcome. Molk Moody, welcome. The way I'm talking is the way we keep it up. Man, That's insane. I like, for me, I don't really have that good of a conversational skill with people, unfortunately. So it's a bit of like a hit and miss for me. What is the PK arena starting? I gotta like set up treasure box again to help me with it. Where is it? It is still not on. I guess like in about 15 minutes. Our team really just throws elixirs around, nothing really to it. Man, honestly, like I would prefer that I wouldn't have to deal with elixirs at all. So I could actually focus on the quality of the content I'm creating to try and get our team members to partner. Shit. Oh, trying sneeze, but not the sneeze. So, like, um, it's kind of like an investment right now, like for most of the people, right? Like they are putting up all that money to get it back from Trovo with the partnership. So, like, I was actually doing the math, like how much I have to spend to really acquire that support or the incentive that Trovo gives you. So I had to like sit down and do the math like really in detail. Yeah, they made it more about Trovo. Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. It's the content. Content doesn't matter as far as I can tell. Because I'm going out to other people's chats. Like I'm looking at the chats and the other people. You know, there are like maybe 5 or 6 people genuinely talking, and they seem to be just like their close circle of friends or people that they know. They are the ones chatting, and all the others are like the chat moving, but all the content in the chat is just the treasure box things, the task from the treasure boxes. There are some streamers out there that has a lot of people talking, but still, like it's not really the general consensus is not really that. The general consensus is just people chasing treasure boxes, chasing elixirs, and trying to get to that partnership so they can get that money. I'm not sure how sustainable it actually would be. I'm pretty sure Trovo is making their profit because they are getting their 50% cut from anything regardless. So I guess it's a win-win for them. I storage welcome. This kind of sounds like I'm putting a lot of negative like opinion on the Trovo's current setup. But unfortunately, that's the case. At least in my observation, that's the case. Secret object data create username, and then we're gonna do Secret Manager ID equals the ARN. And I think that's it. Sasha, welcome and thanks for joining. Thanks for the stay safe, Sasha. I think let's go return secret. This should work, right? Let's give this a go. So I'm gonna do exit, and then we're gonna do import this again. We're gonna do from. Oh shit. Cannot import name generates class from partially initialized module core models like the quickly import. Oh shit, I be able to circle them up. Everyone play game except J damage. You made our team logo. Oh, let me check it out. Let me check out the team logo. I'm curious about that stuff. How do I see the team logo? Team the steel curtain. The lizard thing. That's a cool logo, dude. If that's the logo. Nobody in the team is online though, bro. Would be on clip or past stream. Yeah, nobody seems to be online in Team right now, but I saw the logo. I think like if you hold on. Like if you open this is the downside of using 3 different browsers at once. This is the logo, yeah? I think. Maybe on it's on my channel when I play. I'm guessing this is the logo. Maybe I'm not looking at the correct one. We can know about this time or a bit later. Okay. Yeah, it makes sense. Usually like after work hours, usually, I would imagine. Looks like a PNG with some background. This is not it? Oh, interesting. Yeah, I hold on, hang too low. Like when I went to, can I go to the channel, please? Will you open it? Oh my God, bro. Copy link address. Where's copy link? Copy link. There you go. Okay, paste and go. It shows it here underneath. I was just trying to open it. Like this one right here. This is what I see still. I'm guessing this is not the one. With your past stream, just go 5 minutes after starting. Okay, let's go to video room. Alexis, welcome. Yahya, welcome. Yusupo, welcome. Past streams. And you said just go 3 minutes after starting. 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 24 seconds. Navy steals. Chocolate, thanks for to stay safe. Angela, welcome. Is this the one? Dinosaur with the magazine thing? I don't know what this is called. That's it. That's a sick logo, dude. It is. His little arms. Bro. He's gonna go pew 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 pew. Nice, dude. Like I'm happy to see. Hopefully I can catch his stream and like tune in to what he's doing. Because initially when I first started, I was streaming with the category being software and something design. You play a lot of Call of Duty. Yeah, I can see. I just don't get that game for myself. Like I'm not getting that game. Call of Duty feels like a lot of copy paste to me. I used to play it, especially like the Black Ops and whatnot, and I'm like, yeah, this is not for me. I suck at it anyways. My game is more like Valorant. I'll be playing it today. Actually, I'm gonna play it in like an hour or so. So why is it that we can't import this? Like it's causing a circular import thing here, so I don't understand what's going on. Where exactly access token models init.py? No, that doesn't really make any sense. I know they play multiplayer a lot of Warzone BR. Did you play PUBG? Play it on Battlegrounds or Apex? I used to play PUBG like religiously. Aramu, welcome. Never back down, bro. Welcome. That picture is the killer. Aramu, stay safe. Looper, welcome. Yeah, I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna eat some food and then I'm gonna get started some gaming. You have not? Yeah, I was really big on it at the time until Valorant came out, and then when Valorant came out, I pretty much just stopped playing it altogether. Two of our team members play a lot of PUBG. CR7, Messi, Mbappe, welcome. A lot of soccer players there. Yeah, PUBG, like, I used to enjoy it a lot, and then it just became like so repetitive and frustrating to waiting in the lobby, you know, especially like it didn't have like a revival mechanics at the time. I think it still doesn't, or like a working one. So, you know, you die if you're playing with your friends and then you're just like stuck spectating. Just became like a waiting in the lobby simulator game pretty much to me. When Valorant came out, like it was a lot more engaging to me because, you know, like even if you die within the round, you are back in the game at the end of the round anyways. So like there's no waiting. You're always like actively participating one way or another. Huggy Baggy, welcome. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna play some fucking Valorant. Probably there's gonna be like a big update anyway. So let's initiate the update, and then I'm still here. By the way, I can still see. Oh shit! Please work. No, keyboard is not working through the fucking thing. No. I like this playlist, bro. Whatever it is. Guys, hold on. I gotta change my keyboard so this actually works because the keyboard connecting this through here is not working. So I'm gonna be turning this on. Give me a moment. Oh, shit, this is a heavy motherfucker. It doesn't initialize during the boot time for some reason, so we have to initialize it during the boot time. So okay. It works. I'm gonna have to restart this. Where's my mouse? Oh, it's on the third screen. No, just restart, please. Restart, restart. Thank you. I see the game on my monitor and read the chat with my gaming laptop. Yeah, I have like two monitors on the main computer, and I have my streaming laptop over there that's like sitting on top of the tower, and then I have a secondary laptop here on my right hand side. So I have like four screens I can look at basically. Like having two monitors. Yeah, it makes things really, really, really easy. Okay, we are booting in the Windows right now. My monitor, my screen should be coming up in just a second. I need the other mouse now, my gaming mouse. Do you play on like 24 inches or 27 inches, your monitors? I have two 27-inch 4K monitors, like 144 hertz, and these are the ones I've been using. So I'm going to end the stream for Twitch and then restart it for YouTube. So 1 sec. All right, Twitch is done. Oh, that's done.